Tomorrow you can let Mommy put it on.
What is it, Nicholas?
A birthday seat.
A what?
They're stylish.
Can you show me your presents? What is that?
Busy.
Okay, what are these other ones? Show me these other ones.
He doesn't care. Yeah, these two are really bright colors.
Do you like those?
Uh-huh.
We thought you'd like the silver too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. These two would be great under the castle.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, he finally stopped saying noise.
Yep, that's to protect it.
It's a Nintendo protector. Alright, I think someone's gone through the whole stack.
Called Nerf Armor.
Nerf armor.
Yeah.
Dang it!
Soft on the inside to protect it, but with a harder shell on the outside.
I can't see it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yay.
Oh my goodness.
This game's gonna be fun.
What's that one?
Visible crossing doors.
What is it? Phineas and Ferb?
Across the second dimension.
Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of goodness here.
Yeah, hang
A
on.
lot of oh my goodness.
That's good.
Mama, you
Better than man.
Yeah, that one went real well. That was rather well liked.
What?
How far?
Almost 17,000 steps.
Man, Mama.
That equals to how much?
I don't know. It's part of something we have going at work.
It's like
Oh
an
my
exercise thing.
goodness.
Oh,
Is that a neat present?
I think
No.
I think I know which one it is. Yep. It's you can already see the name. Wally.
Wally.
Let me see, Nicholas. Hold it up. Let me see it. Who is it?
Wally.
Wally?
Yeah.
Is that a good one?
Yeah.
You got lucky.
Well, I'm gonna have him.
Oh my.
Oh, it's those.
I'm gonna have it set up as a kit with everything contained in it.
Sort of like mine?
Yeah. That was the intent, but I wanted to do like yours, but with the Nerf armor and finding.
I don't have one of them.
Yeah, I know, but you.
You're a little easier on it than he will be.
I know.
Oh.
What is it?
Yellow pack.
I think
More games?
They're
no.
just the card holders.
Yeah, they just put those in there for like decoration.
Oh, okay.
It's just cardboard.
You know we're gonna have to manage this,
Yeah.
or they'll just be everywhere.
That was the whole purpose of the card holders in a case.
Well, but I mean, he won't use those either.
It's going to be training.
Put your tongue in. What is it? What is it?
The Nintendo pack.
A Nintendo pack?
That's pretty cool.
Wasn't
I'm glad he didn't say
Everything in
Nintendo
one
first.
place.
I'm glad he didn't say Nintendo first.
Yeah, they had a really
Mom.
cool hard case set up, but they don't make it for that version. And I looked at it and I'm like, thought about, oh, it's the DSi. Will it want it? Like $30. But I don't want to go spending $30 if it's,
The DSi is a
No.
little bit smaller than.
yeah.
I thought it was supposed to be a little bit bigger. Because it has more things on it.
Yeah, but they're smaller. I mean, you saw how much smaller the 3DS is compared to yours.
Oh yeah, 3DS is like, you know, about that big.
Yeah, it's smaller than yours.
Super small.
I was more concerned about the parts that work in the case and whether or not they were compatible.
What now?
That's the other kit.
Okay.
Put your tongue in.
You for those are really.
Put,
What's that?
what's that?
A bag.
Another kid.
It's got the car charger and the headphones.
Anyway, the present.
That's it.
No, anyway.
I don't have any more, bud. That's it for presents.
Yeah, and that's
Mom.
these are mine.
Mom.
That's a lot of presents.
Nintendo.
You know what? You're gonna have to wait till tomorrow and Mommy can get it all set up for you, okay?
Me.
Tomorrow.
Me.
Yes, for you tomorrow.
Yeah, right. Mom. Mom.
What?
That in trash.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, get right.
Okay. And you got a birthday card from Mammy Lynn and Pappy Pierre.
Oh my goodness.
You know what? Well, read it. It says, who's that?
That.
Who's that?
Turn.
Charlie.
Turn.
Okay, listen. I'm gonna read it for you.
That.
I could never get you enough birthday cards to tell you how wonderful you are.
Oh my goodness.
Let me read it for you. That's it, right there.
Where?
But that won't stop me from trying. So there's one from Woodstock, one from Lucy, one
Linus.
from Linus, and one from Snoopy. Oh, they open up. They're all like little cards.
Wait.
And hold on. It says, Happy birthday, Nicholas.
Mom, I'll do it.
Okay, listen. Now you are a big boy. Big enough to get mommy and big enough to help Mommy and Daddy. Happy Pierre. Happy birthday, Nicholas. Have a great day and enjoy yourself. With love, Mammy Lynn.
Wait. Yes, no, birthday. They can't. Yeah, birthday zone. Birthday. Hey, Mom.
Okay.
You want to say something to Pappy Lynn? Pappy Lynn and Mammy Pierre?
Hello.
Mammy Lynn and Pappy Pierre? You want to say something to them? Yes.
How about
How about thank you? Nicholas, look at me. Look at me. Say, thank you, Mammy Lynn.
Thank you, Mama, and Pop here.
There you go.
Very good.
And we're gonna have to go shop because Grandma's gotta get you something too, but she hadn't been able to get to the store.
What?
Okay? So
Yes.
we'll get you something too.
Mom,
Yeah.
you get away.
Nope, you know what? It's bedtime. Brush teeth, bedtime.
No, you get away.
Oh,
No.
should I take my medicine?
Not now.
Okay.
Wait till morning. Okay.
In the morning you'll send me and I'll do that.
Okay, bud. Happy birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Mr. Nicholas.
Yes.
Why don't you just leave it right here?
No. Oh,
No.
no, my room.
No, no, no.
No, you leave it right here.
Excuse me, we're leaving it here. Mommy's gotta put it together for you.
Me?
Fuck you down. No.
I will get it together for you.
Oh, it's just your
Okay?
room.
Okay, it's bedtime.
Not that.
All right.
Night, Nicholas.